अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट। मैं कुछ वीडियोस बना रहा हूँ जिसमें मैं वो चीज़ें कवर करूँगा जो हम मिड से पहले पढ़ चुके हैं। सो आई विल बी मेकिंग ग्रुप ऑफ यूनिटी ट्यूटोरियल फॉर कंप्यूटर गेम प्रोग्रामिंग स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम कैपिटल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफ कोर्स. So the first video is about installation of Unity. So for installation of Unity, of course, you need to download it first of all. So for that, first you have to download Unity Hub, which is required to install Unity Editor and also to run new and make new projects. So you have to go to unity.com, you have to click on developer tool and you have to select download Unity. When you are going to go on this page, you can download Unity Hub on your system, and of course it is quite simple to install it. After installation of Unity Hub, you can see something like this when you are going to run Unity Hub. From here, of course, you can create project or open existing project, and you can install Unity Editor. So on the left side, you can see these four options: project, install, learn, community. For installing Unity Editor, you have to go to install option and then you have to click on install editor. Here you can see different versions, the official releases of Unity Editor. Download the latest version into your system and it will be downloaded. Okay. So it is going to take something like 2 to 3 GB. Okay, it is taking 1.27 GB on the system. So you just have to click download and it is going to install Unity on your system. Okay, this is Microsoft Visual Studio. Well, it is going to take some space on your system like 2 to 3 GB and then it is going to be installed. After installation, you can see your Unity Editor version here. Like on my system, Unity 2021.1.2 for F1 is being installed. Okay, this is a simple way by which you can install Unity Editor. And other way is if you want to download any older version of Unity Editor, you can just have to go to the download option, of course, and download other version. Here you can see the visit download archive, choose your Unity version. From here you can download any older version. For example, you want to download Unity 2019, 2018, 2017, Unity 5.4.3, and also you can not only download Unity Hub but also download Unity Editor. Okay, well, after you have installed Unity Hub and Unity Editor, the next thing you need to do is to license it. Okay, how you can license your Unity is you just have to go to this preferences and licenses. From here you can manage your license. So just from here you have to, first of all, you have to sign in into your Unity Hub. Sign in is required because without signing you cannot run Unity. Okay, next step will be to redeeming your license for Unity Editor. So for redeeming your license, open Unity Hub. You have to click this option, which is preferences. Here you on the left side you can see different options like project, install, appearance, license, advanced mode. You have to go to license and from here you have to click on sign in. When you are going to click on sign in, you can see a web page open where you can enter your email address and password. If you don't have your sign in, if you don't have your Unity ID, please create one. So if you don't have a Unity ID, just create a Unity ID and simply sign in into your account on your browser. After you are going to sign in, you can see that you have also been signed in into Unity Hub. just click on the add button after you have been signed in and just get the free personal license, and your free personal license will be activated. So that's how your Unity will be licensed. Another way is you can get the Unity student license, where you will be requiring your student email ID and password. Okay, this is by this way you can get your Unity installed and licensed on your system. Next, you have to create new project. So for creating new project in Unity, you have to open Unity Hub, go to project option, select new project from here, and from here you can either select a 2D project or 3D project for creating, and just then create. Okay, after creating the new project, you are going to see something like this, where you can see different panels like scene panel, game panel, animator, project, inspector. In next video, I'm going to explain each of these panels in Unity. Thank you.